फोक्स, बिजनेस पढ़ रहे हैं तो ये वाली वीडियो देखना बिल्कुल मत भूलें। आज हम बिजनेस 12th का एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक एक बहुत ही फन वे में आई प्रेप की एनिमेशन यूज करके ला रहे हैं और बिना तुम्हारा टाइम वेस्ट करे मैं तुम्हें सीधा ले चलती हूं वहीं पर।
The essence of management. Coordination. Coordination is the most important and guiding element of management. It is the force that combines the operations and actives of all departments together for the successive running of an organization. Characteristics of coordination. The most important features of coordination function are highlighted here. Coordination integrates group efforts. Coordination unifies unrelated or diverse interests into purposeful work activity. It gives a common focus to group effort to ensure that performance is as it was planned and scheduled. Coordination ensures unity of action. The purpose of coordination is to secure unity of action in the realization of a common purpose. It acts as the binding force between departments and ensures that all action is aimed at achieving the goals of the organization. Coordination is a continuous process. Coordination is not a one-time function, but a continuous process. It begins at the planning stage and continues till controlling. Coordination is an all-pervasive function. Coordination is required at all levels of management due to the interdependent nature of activities of various departments. It integrates the efforts of different departments and different levels. Coordination is the responsibility of all managers. Coordination is the function of every manager in the organization. Managers in each levels has to coordinate and communicate with their team members for the successful operation of their process. Coordination is a deliberate function. A manager has to coordinate the efforts of different people in a conscious and deliberate manner. Even where members of a department willingly cooperate and work, coordination gives a direction to that willing spirit.
कमाल हो गया। जिस बिजनेस की किताब को पढ़ते हुए नींद आती है उसी बिजनेस का फंडा बिना किताब पढ़े एनिमेटेड वीडियोस के थ्रू 2-3 मिनट में समझ में आ गया। यही तो फायदा है आई प्रेप की एनिमेशन वीडियोस का। तो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? नीचे जो लिंक दे रखा है आई प्रेप सुपर ऐप के डाउनलोड का, उसे यूटिलाइज करो। वहां जाके एनिमेटेड वीडियोस तो मिलेंगी ही, डिटेल्ड वीडियोस भी मिलेंगी और भी जो उस ऐप के फायदे हैं उसको जाके एक्सप्लोर करो। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टिल दैट टाइम, बाय बाय।